All right, welcome back. Got another quick shop short here at Sports Car Workshop. This is a 65 Mercedes 230 SL, but it has been modified and upgraded to a 280 straight six. So it's been upgraded to a little bit beefier of a motor. Again, it was redone by the previous owner. It came here to get the head gasket redone. And this is hands down, well, besides a little Alfa, one of the prettiest restorations that I've ever seen as far as the attention to detail. It's a little dirty right now, but this paint color looks unreal in person. And this interior, it is even more unreal. The level of detail and quality in it. You know, you see a lot of these from afar and they look great on Instagram, look great in pictures, but when you kind of get up and close, they don't really, you see a lot of the imperfections. And this one, besides a couple, little small details, is 100% spot on to this awesome tan interior, carpeting. The wood looks amazing. I mean, everything has been thought out and detailed. Now, we're gonna take it for a quick spin, put some miles on after the new head gasket, but I just wanted to show everyone the outside and the inside because it is just too cool not to make a video on. Oh man, got some bunts on there. Meaty Michelins, good tire size. I mean, look at this thing. Boy. I mean, I always like Pagodas and SLs. I don't think I'll ever own one day, but this one is gorgeous. And super clean, and it's a driver, and it sounds great. You'll hear it in the video. Just got everything going for it. Whew. Great cars in the background too. This P38 rolled in and might stay here. We'll see. But let's take it for a quick ride. Oh man. So this is what? A 230 with a 280 swapped into it? Yeah.
Probably the best color combo, I think.
So Mike just put a new head gasket on this. Its badge is a 230, but it's got a 280 swapped into it. Straight six, 4-speed.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful interior. I've never seen a better color combination.
You pick any forward shot, and it's gonna be gorgeous.
Everything is gorgeous. Chrome door handles, wood trim on the dash. Obviously been redone. This carpet's amazing. Every detail is perfect. The chrome, headliner, mirror, unbelievable contrast going on in here. And it sounds good. Now, Mercedes isn't known for its engine and/or exhaust noises, but these early sixes, at least with the exhaust that this particular customer has on it, is killer. Comfortable ride. Beautiful. I guess this is MB10. It's leather? It feels like leather. Not MB text.
Torquey too. It's a lot. Take turns in third gear. Your Porsche can't even do that.
BMW can't even take them in second.
That's because you got a 323.
Yeah. You got the one for girls. But it's funny, any old Mercedes though, even if it's old, doesn't matter what model year, it still almost drives like a newer car. You get in, it's got, good brakes, good response as far as the powertrain is concerned. There's no rattles or shakes.
No, actually.
These roads are terrible. I mean, I don't want to use the cliche of built like a tank, but this thing's absolutely screwed together, and it's been restored. So that says something about the team or the people who did the restoration.
It was the previous owner. It wasn't a shop or anything.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. This is an absolute labor of love. I mean, every detail is down to the paint matched, interior. Facade as well. I mean, that's wild. You've seen a lot of examples of these that have been done okay, But when you see something like this that's been done to this level, it really stands out. Yeah, not even, these roads are atrocious and there's not even a rattle.
Oh yeah, no, I mean, new Mercedes rattle more than this.
Yeah, unreal. And the view out of the front of the hood, awesome. Temp held.
Yep, right at 180.
Perfect. Nice. Oh no. So I was
But,
gonna.
you know, it's a European car, so I don't know what the European market Alfa spec is from 1970. Not that good.
This is so good.
Well, I was gonna do a quick walk around of that, but this is way more distracting.
It's like if a BMW 2002 didn't look like so Soviet.
So German.
Yeah.
So Eastern.
This is kind of what it would look like.
1750. Every line on this car is amazing.
Yeah. These are good.
No, they nailed it with this.
It's like they got a 2002 and they put their hands on either side of the nose and went
think
boop.
it's. Do you think it's the? You know the older outfits have like the.
Maybe. Could be.
Like fresh air.
Yeah, Mike's gonna go buy an Aston real quick. But man,
This is a good one. It's just
Beautiful. I love the color.
it's a beautiful
Yeah.
car. We have another one that we service.
you could. I mean, it's been painted.
You could roll around.
You know, they just did it on purpose to make it more Italian. You know what I mean? They had to engineer in the factory defects.
Somebody's walking by with stuff
Fortunately, we're gonna have to look into the lug nut size here. There's something going on with the space. You can see how it's kind of damaged the wheels. 1750. Looks like it's not on Spica. But boy. Yeah. There's been no time period where this has not looked good or been cool.
Dude,
You know?
it's so cool. Like I would take this over a 2002.
Oh yeah.
Day
I don't.
long.
I'll admit I don't like 2002s.
I agree.
Maybe the chrome bumper ones. Sure, but
the roof line on a 2002 just absolutely kills me.
yeah,
This
yeah.
right
We've
here,
talked about this before. Yeah. Most people don't agree with us.
No, I know.
Yeah.
I feel like the odd man out. It's
No,
like,
I've never liked it either.
it's way too like Soviet bloc, like Lada. It's way too squared off. Now we're 800
Absolutely gorgeous.
down. Yeah. Whatever they call them. Yeah. That's.
This car was just imported from Italy. It looks like it's been redone. It's definitely gonna need a little tune-up. But man, shop's looking good right now. Minus the 4Runner. Let's get the 4Runner out of the picture there. Beautiful GTV though.